This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, Windows 10 or 11 and administrative access. Once ready, open the Start menu, type DXdiag, and press Enter to launch the Directx diagnostic tool. You do this because DXdiag reads system graphics and driver info directly. It's faster than guessing. Make sure to allow the tool to run if UAC prompts appear, and do not skip saving information later. That file can help diagnose issues if the on-screen report is unclear. Now, on the System tab, scan down to find Directx version. This tells you if Directx 12 is recognized. Once done, click the Display tab to view feature levels and GPU driver details, because Directx 12 support depends on both the OS and your GPU drivers. Make sure to note entries like 12.0 or 12.1 under feature levels. Those indicate hardware-level support. If you need evidence, use the Save All Information button to create a text report you can reference or share. To finish, save the DXdiag report with the Save All Information button and then close the tool. That file contains clear proof of Directx version and feature levels. If Directx 12 isn't displayed, update Windows and your GPU drivers, because outdated drivers often block hardware feature reporting. If updates don't help, perform a clean driver reinstall using the GPU vendor's instructions, reboot, and rerun DXdiag. This troubleshooting step resolves driver conflicts that commonly prevent Directx 12 from appearing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.